Hi children, Assalamu alaikum and good morning all. The last week we saw many things that's in the sky, remember that all? I told you, some more things will be there in the nature that I will bring the next week. Okay, I brought it. Okay, the last week we saw what it is, tell me, just tell me. Sun, moon, next one, stars, then clouds, rainbow and thunder and lightning. Okay, see children, the dark clouds, see around me, dark clouds, this time for raining. See, my God, raining, very beautiful. Yes, you also come to here, come with me for playing rainwater. It's very nice. Shall we sing that rhyme? Rain, rain. All of you sing along with me, okay? Everyone knows that song. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go to Spain. Come again another day. Yes, rain. What is rain? Yes, we all know that comes from clouds in the sky. Rainy water, we all depending rain. There is no rain, what will happen? Very difficult, no? Not only us, all things, everything need rain. Everything need water. For water we depend. എന്തിനാ നമ്മൾ ആശ്രയിക്കണേ? Rain, മഴ. Okay, animals need water, plants need water, we need water. Yes, everyone, everything need water. So, rain water we need. Okay, rain water is very pure water. Rain water is pure water. Okay, this all rainwater, this rainwater refill our well. What is well? വെല്ലിലൊക്കെ വെള്ളം ഉണ്ടാകുന്നത് റെയിൻ വാട്ടർ ഉണ്ടായിട്ടാണ്. വാട്ട് ഈസ് വെൽ? യെസ്, വി നോ, കിണർ അല്ലേ? വെൽ ആൻഡ് വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദിസ്? റിവർ. വെൽ, റിവർ, സീ, pond, lake, everything. That all depending that rain. Okay, that rain refill the this one. See this, look at here children, what is it? River. What is it? River. What is river? That flowing water. See, flowing, very nice, no? Very nice to see this. This river flowing through different places. That all rivers through different places and reach where? Reach in the here. What it is? In the sea. What is sea? What is sea? What is river? River means nadi, right? Nadi. Then sea, kadal. Very nice to see. What is here also water? River, in the river also water. What is the different? River water is very pure. We all take it for everything, for our needs. But the sea water, what is the? Can we drink? Can we bath? It's salty water. Sea water is the salty water. ഉപ്പ് രസമുള്ള വാട്ടറാണ് അല്ലേ? We can't drink it. Yes, see, right? Very beautiful to see that. See what is coming here? What is coming here? Waves. What is it? Waves. Tiramala. Very nice to see this, no? Remember that last week we learned sun set in the west, no? In here we can see sunset here. Look at there. Look at there. Yes, sunset, very beautiful scenery. Right? Yes, I know you all You all with your parents, you go and watch this, right? Yes, in the holidays everyone will go the beach and observing this and waves and this sunset and all, right? That is very beautiful. Then we saw what is it, rain, then river and sea. See children, my God, that trees are moving here, that leaves are flying. What happened? See, what is it? Oh, I can't see anything here. What happened? What happened? Yes, that is wind. What is it? Wind. Yes, we can't see anything, but that is wind. What is wind? കാറ്റ് അല്ലേ? കാറ്റ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ? Wind means moving air. Moving air is called wind. Moving air is called wind. We can't see that, but we can feel that. നമുക്ക് ഫീൽ ചെയ്യാൻ കഴിയും. We can feel the wind when I blow out on my hand. നമ്മൾ കൈ ഇങ്ങനെ വെച്ച് കൈമ കൂടെ ഇങ്ങനെ കാറ്റ് പറഞ്ഞ് നമുക്ക് അറിയാൻ കഴിയില്ലേ? Yes, like that. We can feel that. Yes, we can feel the wind when our hair fly off, when our dress fly off, right? We can feel only. That is wind. That is moving air. Moving air is called wind. Now I will show you the another beautiful thing in our nature. See that. What is it? We already learned the hill, kunna, le, in the English class, that H, hill, her for hill. This is steeper than hill. ഒന്നും കൂടി കുത്തനെയുള്ളത്. What is it? That we call mountain. What is it? Mountain. Mountain is steeper than hill. That is the one of the beauty of our nature. Okay? That is mountain. What is it? Mountain. Now I'll show you the another thing that we all know that. See here, look at the back. Yes, many trees. What is it? Trees. Why we need trees? Trees and plants. That is very beauty of our nature, beautiful nature. What is the use of trees? Trees are very useful for us, okay? See children, we breathe in, no? That is, trees gives us pure air, pure oxygen. We gives us oxygen. That oxygen we breathe in. Okay, for that we need trees and shelter. വീടുണ്ട്. ആർക്കാണ്? birds shelter. They made nest on the tree. Okay, then for what? Then shade. Trees gives us shade. എന്ത് shade? തണൽ തരുന്നില്ലേ? Yes, shade. Trees gives us shade, shelter, and trees. Some trees that cover full of flowers, then fruits. That medicinal trees will be there. For many things we need trees. Okay, not only that, that is our beauty of our nature. Okay, so we saw many things today. Shall I bring all together on the board? Okay, see, the first one is rain. Okay, rain. The next one, that flowing water, what is it? River. Yes, the old river reaches where? Sea. Okay, sea. Kadal. Then we told that moving air is called wind. We can feel it, we can't see. What is it? Wind. What is it? Wind. The next one, very steeper than hill, we saw one thing. What is it? Mountain. Mountain. Then the last one, tree. What is it? Tree. So our chapter is over, children, my dear children. Our that nature is over. Now not finished. We have one rhyme also, one song. Okay? Shall I sing? All of you listen carefully, okay? Up in the dark sky, what do you see? Big stars and small stars are winking at me. Winking, winking, la 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 la. Winking, winking, la 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 la. Is the sun your father? La 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 la. Is the moon your mother? La 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 la. Are the stars your brother? La 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 la. Are the clouds your sisters? La 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 la. Okay, I'll repeat once again, okay? Up in the dark sky, what do you see? Big stars and small stars are winking at me. Winking, winking, la 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 la. Winking, winking, la 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 la. Is the sun your father? La 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 la. Is the moon your mother? La 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 la. Are the stars your brothers? La 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 la. Are the clouds your sisters? La 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 la. Okay, children, how was the song? Very beautiful, no? Okay, now our nature, the topic of nature is over. I will come the next class. I'll come the next class next week, inshallah. I'll bring the new topic. Okay, Assalamu alaikum.